Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a cool conference that I'll be going to is BSides Porto in Portugal at the end of June. So if you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it and have some fun. All right, folks. So here we are on my desktop, right? So if you guys aren't familiar with BSides events, they're community-driven events for a local city. So for an example, I've been to BSides all over the world now, Transylvania and Romania. Now I'll be going out to Porto in Portugal. I've been all over Florida, BSides Tampa, Orlando, St. Pete, and so many others in the world, like Vegas and other places. So, but this is going to be focused on BSides Porto. So what is going to be special about this? We'll get into that shortly, so stick around. So it's all about the community. At the end of the day, community is everything. When it comes to these conferences, at the end of the day, we are all coming together, right? We're hackers, InfoSec minds, and the Portuguese cybersecurity, right? Obviously, I'm American, so Americans too. And it's really, really cool because everyone is included in all of these events, right? Felipe, which is the founder and organizer for this, I'm super grateful that he reached out to me. Well, I reached out to him. We collaborated and I was able to speak there. So I will be speaking in this conference, which I'm super, super grateful for Felipe. Thank you so much. Obrigado. However you say that in Portuguese. So when is this event? This event is June 26th to June 26th and 27th this year, 2026, right? So Friday, they're going to be doing workshops, and then Saturday is the main tracks in the villages, right? So, and probably the talks and all that, but we'll get into the speakers. A couple of my friends will be there, so I'm super, super excited to see other folks that we'll get into shortly. Where is it? It's in Porto, Portugal. I've never been there, so this is the first time, so I'm super excited. So about 800 attendees expected. That's a lot. In my opinion, that's a good show up. And the languages is in Portuguese and English. Obviously, it's a mix. So maybe I can work on my Portuguese. All I know is like tudo bom and beleza and I don't know, some other words. I know like Brazilian Portuguese is different than Portuguese in Portugal, but I know some of the Brazilian Portuguese words. So if you're in Europe, if you're close to Portugal, or if you're in Portugal, buy your tickets today, right? Like just buy a ticket. I don't even know how much it is. So just click on buy ticket. Let's say buy now, and let's see what it is. If it comes down, it's about 12 euros. I think that's euros. So I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, but let's just go back to, whoops, not that. Oh man, now I lost my page. Let's go back to the main page, which is, let me actually tell you the page. So let's go ahead and hit F11 here. So the page is bsidesporto.org, okay? So that is it. So call for papers, I think the call for papers has been closed. Yes, call for work. So everything's pretty much been closed. But sponsors, if you are interested in sponsoring this event, sponsor it. If you want to volunteer, I'll probably do some volunteering as well, just because I'll be there. If they need me for anything, I'm sure I can help out in any way I can. So the agenda, let's click on agenda here. It's coming soon. So if you have any questions, please reach out to Felipe. He's the organizer. So I'm not going to go through all of the speakers, but I see some awesome faces here. Georgia, I read her book. She has a book out. Let's see who else. I don't know him. I know Philip Wiley. He's a good friend of mine, so I'm super stoked to see Philip. Kat, I'm not sure who Kat is, but I'm super stoked to meet as many people as I can. And I'm here. Look at his ugly face right here. Patrick Gorman, that's me. And let's see who else I know or if I've heard of here. Andrea, I think I've heard of Andrea. I don't know any. I think I heard of Michael too. He looks familiar. Let's see who else here. Joe, this guy looks familiar. Let me see. I don't know why he looks familiar. He does look familiar though. I'm not sure where from. Let's see who else here. But there's some awesome people, and everyone has their own niche, their own topic, their own place in the community, which is really cool. And yeah, more speakers coming soon. All right, so let's see who are the sponsors this year. So we have Cross Intel. So you have awesome, this is platinum sponsors here. EvenX Hosting, that, if I'm saying that right, Flare. We have some other SpecterOps. These are all companies I know. Sands, Silver. I'm not sure who these folks are. I know Red Team Village, obviously. Felipe is a part of the Red Team Village, so that's super cool. They're doing a CTF, Skillbit, Flare, and what are these prize sponsors? I might do a prize. I like that because I did a prize in BSides Tampa, which I gave out a Hack the Box certification path, and I did CPTS and then CWES, which is Certified Web Exploitation Expert or Specialist or whatever it is. All these acronyms, I lose track. And then the most recent certification I got from Hack the Box was the Wi-Fi one, which was really cool. So maybe I'll, they're different tiers too. So I'll probably stick to the web app one and the CPTS. So maybe I'll reach out to them and maybe I'll do some, see, look, Hack the Box right here, prize sponsor. So maybe I'll throw some Hack the Box stuff. John Hammond and Don's company here, Just Hacking Training. And then we have Altered Security, Red Team Labs, White Knight Labs, which is awesome. Awesome stuff. So let's see who the friends are. Want to become a friend? Go ahead and reach out. This is really cool. So about Porto, let's see. I think they were just a few years now. I think this is, I don't want to make this mistake, but I think it's like their second or third year. If I'm correct, but correct me if I'm wrong. I can always find out. I can always ask Felipe. So obviously the code of conduct, this is all like, I believe, common sense stuff. And then previous editions, 2025. So 2025, and this is the second year. So super stoked to be a part of it. That's exactly what happened with BSides Transylvania too. I was a speaker there for their first and second year. I'm not sure why they're not doing it again. I'm not sure. I haven't spoke to, I believe, Christian. He stopped doing them for some reason. I haven't reached out to him. I wonder how he's doing. But anyhow, then you have the CTF. Like I said, this is from Red Team Village. Offensive hacking, solo in a team, win and compete. But I definitely will be doing, I'm probably going to be doing a, what was that on the sponsors or friends? No, now I lost it. So was it sponsors? All the way at the bottom. So, community sponsors. Yeah, right here. So I'm going to probably do a prize sponsor. So I want to reach out to Felipe and see how I can participate in this. And I'll be there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make a video on this wonderful conference that I believe if you're in the area, you should be a part of, right? If you're flying out, if you're in Europe, if you're close to Portugal, and if you're able to fly out, you have a few more weeks. I'm assuming it's going to be really fun. I've never been there, so I can't even say it's a great place because I don't know. But I'm really stoked about this. Just remember, just want to take this one thing away. If you guys are interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, blue teaming, etc., please join a community. You're not gonna be able to do this solo. Doesn't matter how smart you are. It takes a village to move a boulder, or whatever that saying is, right? I can't move a boulder by myself. I need a team. I need a village. I need a community. And I believe it's gonna take your life that much further, or that much, push yourself to get into that better spot in your life, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's it for today. And I guess the last thing, if everybody or nobody or somebody knows, I am a founder and CEO of ISP Security. And we provide cybersecurity services such as penetration testing, SOC as a service, and we also do security advisory and vCISO services. And we do so many other things. But if you're interested, please reach out. You can email me, info@ispsecurity.co, or you can just hit me up on the socials, pretty much everywhere, ISP Security. And I'm more than happy to help you out in your journey. And if there's any nonprofits, this is what I've been doing a lot lately, such as this community here. And this is why I wanted to bring it up in this video, is I go to local schools and I speak remotely on Zoom and stuff like that. Speak on behalf of myself, helping companies and organizations understand and do some cybersecurity awareness and what is possible and how hackers get into organizations and to prevent that from happening, and just educate the end user and the organizations to try to keep this place a safer place. But that's it for now. I don't want to keep going on a rant. So remember, please like, subscribe, and share. I want to try to make more content, but I've just been super busy with ISP security. Things have been moving and it's just picking up and just staying busy. All right, so that's why I haven't put much content out. It's not because of anything else. It's just I'm super busy. So I want to try to be more consistent, but I can't make any promises. But I always do my best. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.